Well, here it is. The brush guard replacement. So let's go put it on. So if you missed the previous video where I talked about messing up my brush guard on my tractor, I put it down when I was getting ready to do some bush hogging and clean the screen out. And you know, I started talking to somebody, and by the time we got done talking, I forgot that I'd put the brush guard down. I forgot to put it back up. I went to start bush hogging, and moved the loader up and down. At some point, the loader grabbed a hold of the brush guard and just bent it all to pieces. So I have this new replacement here, and we're gonna see if we can get this thing replaced. I was looking for a piece of angle iron so I could prop my loader up. It's really not safe to work under your loader without it being propped up, so I don't have any, so I'm just gonna have to try to do this with the loader down. We'll see how it goes. Wasn't enough space to get my ratchet in this one, so I had to go get another wrench. I mean, this isn't difficult to take off, it's just a little hard to get to. These holes are threaded, so that made it a little easier. At least I didn't have to reach behind and hold a nut or anything. There we go. And here's the old one. Slightly used. I'll let it go for cheap. So now get the new one on. Let's see if I can finagle my way in here. Slide these bolts in. Would have been a whole lot easier if I had just put the loader bucket up. Probably would have been okay, but I didn't want to be under it without it being secured in place. All right, here we go. If I were a thinking man, I would have put those bolts in my hand already, in my pocket or something. That'd have been too easy. Let's try it this way. hopefully this will teach me not to do that again, because that was a pain. At the end of this, I'll tell you what I paid for it. Let's see. Use my head. There we go. Oh, and I would have used my impact ratchet, or my impact drive, but it's on a job right now, so it's not available. Because that would have knocked this whole job down to probably 4 or 5 minutes tops. That didn't hurt your ears, sorry. That'll do it. Alright, well, I appreciate you watching. That'll do it for this video. Real short and sweet. Just wanted to update you on my brush guard saga. I got it fixed finally. Like I said, I bought the Kioti tractor from Larry Stovesand and Equipment in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, and so naturally I just called them for the part, and I called them last Friday, and by Saturday the part was delivered on my doorstep. So that's pretty good service. The Kioti dealer around here doesn't stock tractors, doesn't have anything in stock, so to me that's kind of worthless. So I just went ahead and just called Larry Stovesand, had them ship out the brush guard to me, and it was happened that fast, faster than I could get it on, because this is the first sunny day that I've had since this past week that hasn't been raining. So finally was able to get this thing installed. I do want to put a mesh, what you call it, diamond mesh over the front of this to protect the grill a little bit better. I'm not a welder, but maybe that'll be one of the things I'll learn to weld on, is doing that. I watched another YouTube channel, My Wild Kioti Adventures. I'm sure you all seen that. If you're watching Kioti videos, you've seen his. So he took a piece of wire mesh and welded on the front of his guard, and I really like that. It looks good. Painted it orange to match, and it looks good, and I think it'll protect the grill pretty well. So that's going to be on my list of things to do, but gotta learn how to weld first. Yeah, I appreciate you watching. Just stay tuned and let's just see what I break next, because I'm always breaking something, so I'll make good videos, I guess. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Take care.